Never in my years of watching boxing have I seen a boxer roll in a ring.
Atijua low blow.
I've never seen that happen.
By the way, he made it look like a football thing.
Yeah. He was channeling his inner Neymar.
And then the hey, let's just start from the beginning. Yani, the fight, then it was just pure chaos.
So there was no proper control in this particular event.
Control of that particular event, by the way. And as soon as alafu, the guy was doing the commentary, alikuwa DJ Afro.
Niliona hiyo. Nakumbuka tukitumiwa kwa group ya Kickoff.
Anafanya commentary kama movie.
Na silikuwa acting. So it was perfect.
Alafu ikafika wapi round 3. Ambapo Destroyer akapigwa low blow. Or was it?
Let me tell you. I've watched that video. I've even showed you the video in the morning.
Yes.
Because I'm not convinced that there was contact. There was enough contact. I mean, again, I'm telling you, for all my years of watching combat sports, like, for you to knock someone out, you have to hit them really hard.
Exactly.
First of all. I mean, tumeona juzi tukiangalia fight ya Itauma.
Yeah.
Unazimanga. Lakini umse alipigwa low blow in quotes, and then he landed on his knees.
Yeah, exactly.
Then it's like he waited for a second. What should I do next? Alafu kajiangusha.
Alafu
akaanza kuroll. Hiyo ni nini?
Alafu akashtuliwa. I think kitu mbavu Destroyer alifanya, he saw that he was losing.
But see, that's the reason why you throw in a towel.
Yes. He saw that he was losing, and the only way angepata alikuwa anaona ushindi is by disqualification. So aliona maybe akipigwa low blow and then making the most out of it.
Alikuwa anajaribu below the belt.
Below the belt. So it a kind of disqualification, but that's not how boxing works.
Like, I don't know, man. When I was watching this whole thing, like, first of all, I felt like I've lost brain cells. Like, I would have rather been watching one of those reality shows, because I felt like brain cells were burning out of my brain.
It was hard to watch. It was a very horrible fight, by the way, because blows were just swinging.
First of all, even there was zero technique. You can't even sit there and say, "Oh, umse anatumia technique. Umse anatumia technique." There was no technique. Hakuna stance.
Hakuna stance.
It's a boxing match, but none of the fighters have a stance.
It's a street fight in a boxing ring.
Nile vitu zenye unajua tukiwa watu hii siku zile tukiwa na zile kung fu movies. Alafu unatoka nje kwa akili yako unajua unapigana kama kwa hizo
hivyo.
For me, honestly speaking, I feel like it was a dark day for the sport of boxing. After athletics, boxing is the second sport that has brought us the most medals in Kenya. And yet, it's the most ignored sport. And then some dude comes out of nowhere who's rolling around on the canvas in a boxing ring, and he is more worthy than the person who's going out there and winning us